I'm torn apart and I'm hoping there's no you and I in my dreams tonight. Please keep the way to turn you down is to play you loud. Diving deep in sound just to draw you out. That's why I've been listening to the same old song. Are we just trying to get over you? Yeah, you got me losing sleep, Kelly. I'm weak, no, I don't know what to do. Try to find a different melody, but
Guys, I want to do... I'm gonna stream off my phone. I'm gonna stream off my phone soon. Maybe this evening. I might go for a walk somewhere and stream off my phone. I want to do some streaming. I gotta go into town, Lisbon, this weekend or something. I'm gonna be doing IRL streaming on Friday. I think I'm gonna do IRL. We're gonna go trade from. I'm gonna bring the laptop with me, stream on the phone, and see if we can figure it out. Friday IRL streams. Maybe that'll be the thing. Is a Friday stream. We'll do IRL every Friday.
I am cool, I don't gotta act cool. Follow where I lead you, pack move. Blowing through the budget, the cash ain't nothing. The way I flip back, straight tens for the judges. Yeah, I'm the too big, can't flush it. Probably gotta plunge it. Word is, it's 10 years in the making. Word is, I'm bringing home the bacon. Word is, they don't see what it take to make it, but the word on the
Right,
streets out.
market's dumping. Stream more. Yeah, I basically max out at like 2 hours a day, guys. I get exhausted after, like, it's a lot of energy to do this shit. DMC concepts with Ronaldo. I would love to do some streaming with some famous people. That'd be great. I'm just not famous enough to do it yet. You know what I mean? What should we do? Fucking hell. Pre-market just collapsing. Absolutely collapsing. Let's check it out, eh? Okay, so what did we know was gonna happen? Well, duh. You gotta be dumber than a dummy to think that the monthly is gonna get gained here, right? On the first try. Nope. That's exactly what we were saying, right? That zone was gonna be the rejection. Unfortunately, it happened during a time that we weren't trading. Let's go, Chris. Hello. Hello, homeboy. Homeboy. Okay, what else here? Dailies. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. So we're gonna draw some levels here. And I think this one, okay. So if we see a dumpity-doo, right, we'll do dumpity-doo here. Those are your zones, right? Your major time frame zones, okay? We're gonna draw those out. We're gonna give them purple because purple is pretty major, pretty royal color, right? So we want to really respect the purples, okay? How's it going? Doing well, bro. It's raining here today. Gushing wind and rain in Portugal. So what happened here? We seen a rejection, right? So I'm going to show you, I'm going to break this down for you. See, you see this level here, right? We seen that rejection off there. That would have been your indication to get short, okay? Why? Because it was in that zone 2. Where'd your stop would have been? It would have been behind this level here. This is the zone you do not want to close beyond, right? That's your red zone, okay? And then you'd be shorting to where? This new low, okay? So this trade is going to continue down to this swing low, because that's the next level down, is right here, okay? So we're going to draw a little level right here. This is probably where it's going to go. And then we're just going to get some confirmation with some other closes here on the lower time frames.
Please add pricing for instant funded accounts using KitP. Dance in the rain.
You're not getting instant funding with points. Well, we could. We could do that. After we get 100 concurrent viewers. We get 100 concurrent viewers on the kick stream, or yeah, I want 100 concurrent viewers, okay? And once we get 100, then instant funding will be added to the points, okay? I'll add one step when we get to 300. And then the 2-step when we get to 500. Okay? Something like that. Every time we get a new, I'll just add more shit, okay? Right now, only 3-step. There's gonna be a new thing that you guys are gonna like next month as well. I can't tell you what it is though. This camera here is kind of silly, right? To have like just a second camera on my face as well.
You're so generous.
I'm not generous, man. I'm narcissistic. I do this so that you guys love me. That's called narcissism. Isn't that funny? Political is true. Okay. Pre-market. Now, I think I should try to get that Topstep account paid out now, hey? We got one trade left, I think. Right? One trade left. I think we're going to try to short it right here. Might as well. Just see if we can scalp it down, eh?
Order filled.
Okay, we only want 200 bucks. Okay? It's pretty freaking likely. With that dumping, should be pretty freaking likely, right? Pretty freaking 200 bucks. That's it. That's it. It literally just needs to go there. Let's watch it. That's lit. That's super easy, right? That's super easy. Look at that rejection. It's gonna go. It's gotta go. It's gotta go. Can you make it go?
Anthony Kiru was delivering the goods. Right now, I got some funk music for you. Gravages up first.
Dumb it down. How many coffees did I have today? A giveaway for somebody who successfully guesses the number of coffees I've had today. And it's 130. How many coffees have I had today? First person to get it right gets an account. I see 6, I see 16. 16, man? Everyone's repeating the same answer. 4 cups. 5, there you go. 5 cups of coffee. Eskidi 96. Eskidi 96. Open a ticket in Discord. We're at 5. It's doing that thing, hey? Where it just doesn't hit my take profit. Oh, I don't like watching this candlestick.
I replied before him.
You replied before him? Let me see. You didn't get it right, though. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. The first person in my chat was Eskady96. So he wins. Okay, this is a rejection right here, right? So it should come down. Should come down. Hopefully. It did gain that though. If we had to lose 200, we would have already been there. We just had to do the opposite, right? We would have already been there. Emergency market
Nice
dump.
setup.
This is this should go down lower, honestly, yeah. We're gonna dump it down. We're gonna dump it down. Okay. We're just gonna ride that down for one more little scalp, hopefully. Unless they use this level. Silly of them if they did that. It'd be ridiculous. Already tested. It's already tested. They're going down lower. So silly of them if they do that. Yo, we only need 200 bucks, you know? Like, 200 bucks. 200 bucks, baby. 200 bucks. Minimums. Do the minimums. When do we DCA is the question, right? Probably right around here, right? Probably around there, eh? Maybe here. No, we're good there if we. Probably around here. I'll DCA at this sort of 15 thing here. This sort of level, it should bring it down, right? Hey, if we had to lose double what we wanted to gain, we would have been there by now. Always does that though, eh? Oh, you don't Rufus the Soul. Sweet, dude. Okay, it looks like this is going to fill, right?
Order filled.
Okay, there's the DCA. We only need 200 again, right? 200. We're going to put a little bit more buffer, you know, fees and whatnot. Okay, that's got to come down, right? Puddle of mud, hey? That sounds terrible. I might, what was the hourly here? Maybe we'll take a short on the Maven account too. Take a Maven short now. Let's go, baby. Dump her down. Dump her down. Down. Come on. A little bit more, baby. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
Yeah, baby. Should we close that? I mean, we can let it go too, eh? Like, there's going to be a bounce right here, right? It was pretty lucky level. Should be a pretty good bounce. We're going to watch that reaction. Nice! Withdraw!
Bling 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 money money money.
You know what I'm going to do with this money? Nothing. Okay, so guys, so what you do next, this is how you do Topstep, okay? Is you get 3 to 4 grand, okay? That's the most likely case that you're going to be able to have a good amount of drawdown on your second withdrawal, but still make sure that you get a good payout. So what you do is you shoot for like 2,500-ish, right, the first day, and then you get 200 each day after, okay? And then you go for the withdrawal, right? So now I got 3,700, right? So 37, right? 37, whatever, right? 7, right? Divide that by 2 because I can take out half, okay? Now I got 1,800 drawdown left. So the reality is the next odds are, you know, obviously I have an advantage too. I'm a profitable trader, but if I went randomly, right? If I just flipped a coin, right? I would only need to get 200 divide this.
Bling bling bling. You see all that money?
Bling bling bling. There you go. Thank you. Yeah, let's do it. Bling bling bling.
Bling, 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 bling. You see all that money?
Bling 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 bling. Okay. 200 is what you need to get over 2,000, right? Because it's basically the you know, so you have a 90% chance each day to get it, right? So 90% chance times to the power of 5. Oops. Right? To the power of 5. And this is the math, okay? You have a 6. So the second payout, you have a 60% chance to get it if you had no advantage. So I do have an advantage, right? So I'm going to have about 75-80% chance to get a second payout, right? And then from there, it's going to be less and less each time, okay? But the first payout I have a very high chance of getting, right? Once you confirm that you get this, once you get that first trade, then you have a very high chance of getting a payout, okay? Bling, 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 bling. You see all that money? Okay. Dump it down, baby. Trying to give away soon. Now, if you're trading on Maven, what you do is you don't run up to $1 million like this account, okay? What you do is you just have your $100,000 account, right? You get 2%. That's all you want. 2%. You have a fucking super high chance of getting 2%. Take the withdrawal. That's it. Just take 2. Wait for next week. Okay, boys, you want it? You want to hear some music or what? Song about to go hard, okay? Nice emojis, look at that.
Let's move.
emojis. I'll try to keep them up with my fingers. Okay, wait. It's difficult to do backwards. Sick song, eh? We need some like proper fucking side trance in this when you're trading. This stuff gets you focused, okay? Boom, boom. Okay. We want to DCA a little bit more on this, maybe. Maybe. Where's that hourly gonna close? Do we give a shite? I don't think we give a shite. Where the hourly closes to. Boom, boom, boom.
DJ Hunter.
This is a warning. If
This is probably where we're on the DCA roughly. Bomb, bomb, bomb. DJ Hunter. This is rejecting pretty well, actually.
It's not no more dumb money concept. It dump money concept.
Dump money concepts. Dump it down. Did you guys hear that? There's a gunshot and a moan. Best song ever. My girlfriend gave this to me before I left.
And please do not try this at home.
The failure on this, but that's already tested, so we'll see what happens here. Oh, here we go. Okay. More side trance. Blastoise is nuts.
Play Aisha speed lit.
I show speed live? What do you mean? Is that a song? I know I show, like, it's a streamer, huh? Yeah, let me know if there's lag. I think we're good right now, but... Ah! Now, dude, do I take this off? Do I take this off? Like, I don't want the card on him. I just want to squeeze him, right? But I think I have to take the card off, right? It's for 3-year-olds, it says. I think I can take the card off, right? Okay, we're good. Yeah, it's way more fun like that now. Way better, huh? $10 for a giveaway! And market open in 30. Should come down.
There are many more good things in this world that you can SQ.
Should come down. So we just closed that 1 hour. Does it gain? It kind of gained it, but it's like fucking retard levels here. I think I'm gonna close this out. Take the No, wait. It's gonna go lower, right? I think we wait for the open now. We're gonna close that out for 1,000. Another day, another 1,000. Look at this. 80K, bitch. Just called you a bitch. Bitch. 80K, motherfucker. This is when we started. February 1st to April whatever today, right? $80K, bitch. My sleep routine? I slept 3 times for 2 hours in the middle of the night. I fell asleep at... It's pretty weird here in Portugal. I can't sleep. Just trapping all the profits. Yeah. What's up, Fod? Fowd? Fod. Now you've got me confused, man. Uh, 80K profits in the past 2 months, all on stream. Hello, stream. Maven's anniversary is December 5th. We launched 2002.
Gobble Pixel giveaway when?
Oh, yo, when Pixel giveaway? You want my phone? Yeah, right. Maybe when I get a Apple phone. I'm gonna get an Apple phone one day, I'm sure. Is that annoying? Zoom in. Okay, wait. I always forget what I say now. Fod. Fod. Boom, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. I could be so much better at this if I like let my runners go a little bit further. Like I'm really bad at taking profits early. I'm incredibly good at knowing where it's gonna go and when it's gonna turn around. But I'm very bad at closing the trade out too soon. Like this profit should be like 106. I should have like double. Maybe not double, but because I would like lose a little bit more if I let it run more. So I would both win more and lose more. But I think it'd be over 100K. I think I'm leaving money on the table, but that's okay. Cause like it could go down further or it could go higher, and it's probably gonna go still down further. I'm not very good at just leaving it. I see money and I'm like, oh, let's take it, right? But the reality is like the idea is down here still, right? I'm just nervous is all because of this level. So I could have run it to that level again, but. I think we're all guilty of that, bro. Yeah, well, I mean that's the great thing about DMC is like, you don't like your management is not as important when you have such amazing levels, right? If you know the levels for sure and you're confident with the trend, and you know the bias, you know the direction, you know what's being gained, what's being lost, right? And you understand the progression, how it's developing over time, you can change your bias, right? And you can get really accurate results of how the trend is developing. Does that make sense? because we've just seen this massive collapse now, and they are finding some sort of base around here, right? It might see some deeper down. I just don't know. I think most likely go down more. Okay, let's just put on side trance, eh? It's gonna be good stuff or no? Let's go back here and just like play similar music. Look at this country bitch, nice. Oh, that's annoying. Shake it, I wanna see you make it. Okay, let's see what this one sounds like. Where do we go? It's on the radio. Y'all are already doing the W's, eh? Guys, we're stuck at like 60 concurrent viewers. We need to rack up higher views, man. Maybe it's because people aren't on the open yet, but I guess okay. We're going up a bit. We're going up a bit.
Invite us to your wedding, lol.
My wedding. I don't think I'm getting married anytime soon, bro. Kick. I guess we're at 65. That's a little bit higher than it was yesterday. Every day it's like a couple more higher. That's good. It's only been like 2 weeks streaming, isn't it? Y'all are collecting points is what you're doing. Sir Dennis is 800. That's pretty good. You really need to count here. Since 2022, baby. We need this higher too.
Do you know DJ named Deep ME?
DJ Deep Me? No. I wish there could be two models of account sizes. Maybe one saying 2K with 500 points, and the other saying 2K with 750 points. Where the first seconds. Yeah. So yeah, I know what you're saying. I told you. Once we get concurrent viewers to 100. Nice, we're at 70. Once we get concurrent viewers to 100, I will set up an option where we can do instant funding. Two-step will be later. I'll do 3, then instant, then 1, then 2. Okay? But we need 100 concurrent viewers each day on average. Okay?
Can you play Paso BM Solto? Slowed.
Okay, Paso Bem. Okay, let me try that. Let's try Paso Bem. Bem is good in Portuguese, right? Paso Bem. Solto. Is it good in Portuguese? This is Portuguese, yeah. Do I know Humankind? There's Human Machine or something? Human Machine?
Let's get that 100 viewers need that instant funding.
I was in a music video. Human Machine or something? April, no. Is it Humankind or Human Machine? I was in a music video the other day by this guy. Giveaway! The banana song? Yeah, we'll do the banana song after banana bag. Okay, giveaway. Let's do it, boys. $5K. 73. during the giveaway. Okay, let's do it. You have to put W in chat in order to win. That's it. Those are the only people that I'm entering. It's random each day. I don't know if I'll get everyone or not. Moana, you won again. You won like 3 times now. Another 5K. Holy Moana, congrats. And then somebody asked, did I go to the club in Portugal? No, we haven't done anything but work. Humankind. Humankind. Run it. Yeah, that's one. Humankind. If you guys win a giveaway, you can open up Discord and collect it there. If you don't win a giveaway, there's a code Hunter on screen. You can get 5% off with that. This song's annoying. That's annoying. Okay, cool boys. We got 15 minutes on the open. I suspect they do nothing into the open. Do YouTube viewers give
Drop your
giveaways
playlist
on
dudes.
Kick? Only Kick. You have to follow on Kick. We got 80 on Kick now. Is it 80? We had 80. We had 80. I can see it there. People leave after the giveaway. They want to get the giveaway only. How long have I been to Portugal? I'll be here for 3 weeks, and then I'm going to Spain, and then I might be going to Dubai, and then I'm going to Cyprus.
Drop the playlist link.
There is no playlist link. It's just whatever song's playing. Okay, I need to beat. This is fun music. I need to beat these guys. Okay, once we're in the 100 bracket, then we're doing okay, right? Fuck these guys trading meme coins. 0 to 1 million does not exist. Scammer.
Play Jack by Nasty C.
Jack by Nasty C. Oh, somebody wanted Banana Bag too. We're gonna do Jack by Nasty, and then we're gonna do Banana Bag. Stop begging my chat, man. You look like an idiot. Nobody's gonna send you money. You're more likely making money panhandling on the side of the road. Nice, Booby is sweet. Who knows? Let's see what kind of bullshit's here now. Oh, that's cool. Look at this guy. Drum and bass on a bike. Bro, that's sick. That's sick. I like this girl, Miss Monique. These guys are pretty cool too. They just like make breakfast and like play music. What kind of just if I can just type in like Forex or something. See what the normal person sees when they bring up Forex. Oh, you got Alex G. Wow, this guy's got 3 million. That's insane. Oh yeah, you know why? Because it's for beginners, where it's like, I used to have a job and now I make money doing nothing. I'm so successful and you can be too. You just have to listen to me for a fucking hour.
Miss Munich is my favorite too. She is amazing.
Yeah, Miss Monique, yeah. It's all Alex G, isn't it? And Mamba. Spanish is pretty bumping in this industry, eh? Forex, that's this guy. This guy's got, I don't even know this guy. Nice. I remember Nick Sean. 99%. I love the bullshit that you can hear, you know? And like just believable, right? You know, just make anything sound believable. I have a 101% win rate strategy. Nice, look at this. We're Dumb Money Concepts is getting pretty big. We're on nearly at 10k views on that. And I was not popular until I've not been popular recently, so. Moana collecting 5 clay accounts like Infinity Stones. Exactly, bro. He was faking a screenshot. Yeah, Alex G's. It's obviously like, I'm considering doing an account flip. Exposing sort of video, any account flip, like you just, I'll show them, I can show the math, I can show yeah, you know what I mean, I can show the math of how long it actually takes to do that in reality. Yeah, yesterday was fine, yeah. Those video clips were great, moving shorts, yeah. So many gurus copying each other. Yeah. Well, that's the thing, is like you get in the market, you watch a couple of YouTube videos, and then you get indoctrinated into the same thing. It's there's a psychological thing that happens is you basically get attached to the first thing you learn about a subject, and then it's very difficult to change your mind. So when you hear something like, hey, stop losses are a good thing, you now, because everyone says it, and you hear that immediately, you become biased to believing that that's true. So that's just an example. I'm not saying stop losses are necessary. Like, I think stop losses are perfectly fair, as long as you use them okay, you know? I personally don't really like them too much. But the reality is this industry, much
What
like
about the
everything
jackpot
else,
strategy, Hunter?
jackpot, eh? The
My
reality,
points just decreased to 122 from 200.
Cool. You just gambled, that's fine. So, the thing with this industry, just like most industries, is like, the misinformation is fucking massive. It's the same with bodybuilding industry, right? It's like everyone's on steroids. Everyone. You know? Fucking I take testosterone, right? And I'm not even, I don't even look like I'm, you know what I mean? Like everyone takes steroids. That works out basically. Anyone who looks like they're big takes some sort of steroid, performance enhancing drug. You know why? Because if you go back to the 70s and you look at jacked people in the 70s before PEDs existed, there's nobody that looks like they lift. That's what the pinnacle of humans was without performance enhancers, right? Supplements do nothing, right? Supplements are the course in the workout world, right? The signals, right? That they have like a 1%, like you might get 1% more power or something in your lifts for taking this shit. Or you can just fucking take Tren. You know what I mean? And then that's the same as faking trades, right? Trend is the same as faking trades. You know? I come from the bodybuilding world too, right? So
Some brokers allow influencers to manipulate their trading.
oh yeah. Oh yeah. I could do that. I could do that if I wanted to. I could delete trades. You know, if you own a server, you can delete sort of trades and whatnot and make things look fake, right? If you have like demo accounts and whatnot, you can just delete shit. You know? All you need to do is own the server. Or have a deal with the broker, right? Like,
Do a podcast with Titans of Tomorrow.
Titans of Tomorrow. If you can get me on Titans of Tomorrow, that'd be great. I tried to contact them, they didn't reply. So, but I mean, I could reveal all this stuff. You know, the reality is pretty much everyone who trades, and even like with proven results, right? So Riz, Words of Wisdom, I messaged him and he said I require a proof of trade results for the past 2 years. I could do that. I could just create trades and then just like completely fake. I could completely make fake trades if I wanted to. You can do that if you own the server or if you have a deal with a broker or something, right? Like, and a server doesn't cost that much. You can spend like 25 grand, you know. So that's what most influencers do, is that's what most influencers do, is they create some videos, claim these big things, get a couple sales, right? Then they get, 25K, 30K, whatever it is. Then they buy themselves their own server that they can trade on, right? You can fake it on demo for a while, right? What you do is you get demo accounts, you fake it on demo for a while, take screenshots, people believe you there, you get some interest, and then you sell some stuff. And then people say, hey, you're using a demo account. So what you do is then you take that profit that you've made, you go then buy a MetaTrader server for 25K, right? And then now you have your own server that looks like real funds, right? That you can just say, boom, I throw some money in there. I'm going to delete all my negative trades and only have positive ones, right? 99% win rate. And then boom, you post it again and you sell it out to some more people that you might have just won over, okay? And then people still say, oh, it's fake, but who cares? Then what you do is you Photoshop shit, right? You just keep doing more shit, and it's all fake. I know even a lot of influencers TikTok, I actually know them personally, that they don't even like their signal groups, they don't even trade. They hired somebody else to run the signals for them so that they don't have to look at the charts. All they do is create content on demo accounts and pretend like they're trading. It's a complete it's just advertising is what they do. Most of these guys are advertisers. Actually, they're not even trading at all. Somebody is running the signal group for them. Funny, hey? Isn't Riz the same guy whose prop firm went under for doing shady stuff? Yes, and he's asking for a proof. Oh yes, that's correct. Mind you, don't give them too much flack, okay? A lot of people fucked up in the past, right? There's mistakes people made. 5-6 years ago, whatever it was, I was running a signal group too, where I hired other traders to run the signals, and it was completely open. Like, we had 5 traders, these were their names, right? And they fucked up, right? And so I had to close down the signal group because I couldn't put my name behind it, right? I ran it for a few months, and then traders started losing money, so I had to close down the signal group, and that caused me a huge problem for a while. And I got labeled as a bad guy for trying to make something work that ended up not working. Riz and Paladin Omar were the firm owners, yeah. They might have been the influencers too. I don't know too much about it. They might have been the owners. They might have had some sort of share. The reality is, I think they did something without thinking about it too much, thought they were going to make a bunch of money. Prop firms are very, very difficult to run. Majority of people who start prop firms fail, right? Because they don't know how to manage their funds. This is going down deeper, right? So here, 5 minutes to the open. What do we think is gonna happen on the open, boys? That's already been tested. I think I will long if it dumps down here. And if it rallies up, let's see what we want here. I might short here. It drew the line exactly what I was looking for too, hey? I might short there. Yeah. Okay. On the open, I'd just like to let it run, see if we can get any major buy points. Oh, sorry, you can't see my screen. There you go. So I might short here, and I might long if it comes down here. Right? This has already been touched. I believe we're gonna come down.
Switch
so
screen.
I'd like to get that short off that level there, and DC up here. There's 2 levels here, so I'd like to get this. Draw the zone. Okay. This will be sort of the short. And you don't want any. You don't really want it to go above there, right? Kick is down? What do you mean kick is down? Maybe it's only for you. I think kick is fine, bro. Looks fine. Otherwise we wouldn't have any viewers too.
Do you like the Smiths?
I don't know what Smiths is, man. Oh, and we're gonna play banana bag. Somebody wanted banana bag. Song's sick for the open, eh? Look at this. Yeah, you guys got to dance with me on your end, okay? There it is. There's the dance. Nice. Run it up. Look at all these emojis here. Okay, market open. Let's do it. Nice, look at all those emojis. I love it. That's cute. All those emojis. Okay, 10 seconds. Look at that. We would have, like, this is why I'm saying, like, I gotta just let them run, you know? That would have been $3,000 instead of 1,300, you know? There's the open. I don't know where it's gonna go, so if we get up here, I'll short it. If we get way down here, I'll long it. But Actually, that's way too long for the freaking open, but yeah, this might even be too long. It might be a little bit. What's going on with the news today? Market open.
I need sex on the dance floor. Give me whiplash. Nasty girl, ride the bull like she white trash.
Bling 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 bling.
I let her know.
Bling, 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 bling. You see all that money?
Trump speaks today. I think he's got more shit on the tariffs that's just gonna fuck it up. It's gonna fuck up everything, man. Over and over. It's okay. It's just strictly fucking manipulation. It's just manipulation. He's been causing the collapse. The Bitcoin's going down, whatever, it's all going down. There's probably gonna be another dump, and then it's just gonna buy up. So the reality is he gets into office, collapses the market, buys it all up, saves the economy, and then he looks great at the end of his term. So we're gonna have a fucking 4-year rally. You know, like that's what's gonna happen, right? It's all fucking planned so that he can stay in power, right? Is that, you know, we collapse it to be able to accumulate more. He's gonna shitload of assets off that, right? Off this dump here. And then if you only dump for 6 months and then the rest, another 3.5 years is up and we're up here, that's gonna look like a really good president. And it's only gonna look like, oh, there was some shakiness when he entered the office, right? But then the things he implemented, like, it's not gonna be anything. All it is he's buying shit. He's buying it as it goes down. Everyone's buying it as it goes down. The economy's getting wrecked, and he's gonna save it. That's what it's gonna look like. That's what it's gonna look like, you know? And you know what? Can you guess who called the exact day of the top? I actually sold Bitcoin at the exact top. You know why? Because I knew the exact time it was gonna top. It was the day Trump took office. I sold 108 right here. On that top. The exact top.
Do you hold any altcoins?
No, sir. I own a couple stocks that are collapsing right now. I own a few of these and I've lost a lot. But I bought them like I bought them kind of in the lows. Right? I bought them after this collapse, right? So like Palantir I kind of
Trump should be adding tariffs on ICT and SMC.
bought down here, right? So I actually Roblox still in profit. Well, a lot of these I bought like, and they're just kind of right around. Hood, I have some Hood too. Yeah. I'd like to get some XRP soon. But yeah. A lot of these are down a little bit for me. Maybe down maybe 20% sort of thing. Oh, oh, nothing, no. Right. Arsonist taking out the fires that they helped start. Exactly, bro. He's gonna start a fire, put it out, and then look like a hero. Because people's memories are not long enough to remember a year. Alright? Humans don't remember a year ago. What were you doing a year ago? Actually, what was your best friend doing a year ago? Because you might remember what you were doing a year ago, but just tell me what was your mom doing a year ago? And that's somebody fucking pretty close to you, you know? Like, you don't, like, I don't know. I don't know.
Why everyone selling slaw?
I don't, I don't know what was going on in my friends' lives a year ago. It has nothing to do with me. That's what fucking politics is. You just make them happy in the final year of office. Okay, ready to short? Baby, how'd you know? Oh, I just want to know. Do I short right now? Yes, I do short right now. That's what I do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Baby, how'd you know? Oh, baby, how'd you know? Ooh. And we're gonna DC up here. How'd you know? You think this is a pump? You don't think this is a fucking fake out? Look how hard that's pumping. Maybe. It could be. We're in a DCA here though, because it still makes sense, right? Still makes sense to DCA right here. What's that level? What we want to make sure is we do not want to close beyond this. Okay? So we're going to DCA right here. Right there. And we'll leave it at 8. We can DCA here. We're going to DCA here. And then we're going to leave it at that. We put a really heavy bet on. That might not be wise, but... I did a 20 lot bet the other day, so... None of it matters. It's just random fucking bets, you know? I am going to put a hard stop loss on this at some point. Where should it be? Probably... I'll just wait. I'll just wait it. And then hopefully that's the level, actually. Otherwise, this is a fucking incredible pump. Holy shit. I'm gonna give this about 60 seconds to dump off here. Otherwise, I'm closing it out. I don't want to lose more than 10 grand. That's insane pump. Look at that rally, huh? We're gonna give it about fucking 60 seconds. I do not want that. That 5 needs to come back down. Let's see here. Thanks for the follows, guys. We're gonna watch this 5-minute close and base it off that, I think. This candle needs to, this needs to come down here. Otherwise, I'm gonna just freaking close it. Too high risk if it's not. Dump it down, baby. What do you guys think? What do you guys think on that? That's lame, isn't it? That's really gay. I gained. We gotta close it. Close it. 5 grand down. I'm not interested in sitting on that momentum there now. Maybe re-enter. We'll see. It's just not worth risking. Right? You want to buy? Probably a bad idea. Like, you can really you can really do the math on these things. It's like, if you have a massive pump like this, where are you thinking it's going to go? Okay. And maybe you're like, okay, I want to ride this up, and you enter here. There was no level until here, right? But there's lots of levels in here, so there's a lot of places this could reverse. So you're setting up really terribly. Good chance that you hit this. It's just like, also fucking, it's not worth it in profit wise, right? Because, you know, maybe there's a 70% chance you do hit this level, right? Or you hit this level or whatever it is. But there's lots of levels in between. There's no levels in between here. And you're not going to be able to get out. It's just going to collapse immediately against you. And that's the issue. Is like, this will have no support buying back up. If it does start to pull back, it's going straight down. Okay? So buying moves like this is absolutely idiotic. Yeah, we'll see how that 4-hour close is, eh? Because that's really killer, right? If that's a really killer close if the 4-hour close up here. We're gonna wait for that. I've already been streaming for over an hour. I might do a quick little live stream. I want to test out the phone later today. See if I could stream off the phone later today. But sorry. We're gonna watch this. We'll watch 15 more minutes. Maybe we'll do another giveaway. We'll do one more giveaway here. I'm getting exhausted. Yelling and dancing. I can only do about 90 minutes before I'm exhausted. I think a 2-hour stream makes the most sense. That's insane pump, eh? That's good. That's good for the market. I'm happy with that. Well, it's like, despite like still everything being down today. After that pump, everything is still down. Look at Tesla. I mean, it's like, you would be dumb to not be buying Tesla here, right? Like, this is prime real estate for buying Tesla. You know what I mean? It's in an upward momentum. That's a perfect retrace. They're gonna forget that Elon's a Nazi soon, right? Like, that's the issue, is everyone's pissed off because, I don't know, you fucking threw a Nazi salute or something. Who cares? It's a company. It's not Elon, you know? The company created cool things. The companies continue to create new things. They're gonna forget. In when? Within a year. We just learned that. Everyone freaking forgets everything a year later. Which phone is a Pixel? Now the question is, I guess with this pump,
Only one giveaway per stream, what do you think?
That's an insane pump. That's wild, eh? The market has just been so fucking catabolic. It obviously wasn't meant as a Nazi salute. Yeah, duh. It's just like anything, man. Anything that, you know, you can get mad at this point. It's all jokes to me. Like, I really, like, it's all just a way that you can collect more money off of the fucking retardism. Right? Take advantage of people having poor emotional control. Right? That's what trading ultimately is, too. Is you taking advantage of other people's poor emotional control. Right? Let things go super far and then you get in, right? You wait and have patience, then you get in. You follow the trends, right? You don't react to negative things when everyone else is, right? You buy when everyone else is panicking, right? Exactly like that, right? So everyone else is FOMOing in, probably pretty wise to start looking for shorts up here, maybe. Let's see if there's a good level. Maybe not. I probably wouldn't. Maybe, like, they might short it up here. Who knows, right? Probably in this zone again if they do at this point. That rally was really predictable with an ICT FAG. No, you're an idiot, dude. It's really predictable if you know what a level is. An FEG is just a type. It's just a level. It's literally just a level. But you've classified levels into something more specific, okay? That's what FEGs are. It's a more specific, refined version of a level. Okay? Right? So here's your FEG, right? Or it's a level. You know the difference? Nothing. The only difference is there's no levels in between, right? And that's why it pumps like that. Is because there's nothing that's going to stop it. And you can easily recognize that if you just look at the chart, right? You can easily see, hey, there's no levels in here, right? The level is this one, right? That's what passed through, right? So we potentially take the short. We tried and we failed. That's okay. DMC, baby. Yeah. That's pretty cool. China is refueling cars same speed as gasoline. FEG is momentum, nothing more, not a magical gap. Yep. That's a really good way to put it, actually. It's a momentum, it's a strong momentum shift that all levels are kind of left in the dust. Same sort of thing here, right? You've got this FEG thing, this is your level, right? You've got pass-through levels that they could take through here, right? So a lot of times when you've got these FEGs, they don't come all the way back down, right? And the first actual level that you passed is right here, okay? So this is the level that they bounced off of, right? So there's levels everywhere. You can see it came back and tested that level right before continuing. And what you want to do is, as you gain this level, you want to make sure that you don't close back below what? Here. Otherwise, if you do, you're coming back down to this level, which is the next level down. That's literally what trading is if you gain something, you go to the next level. If you lose something, then you go in the reverse level. That's it. It's only two directions. Can't go sideways. Right, and here's the actual target for this, by the way. The next level up. Which is this. Or the next pivot point up, rather. Right? You need to attempt to make a new high. Right, so that would have been your trade on the long.
Stuff I said and asked me a little crib in a pup called this. So for now I'm about to kick it, for now I'm about to chill. I've been weaning off the pills, now weaning off the liquor. Here I go, get ducking off on my cord. You're rapping is my child, sobriety is a pride. Sammy loves carbs, carbs. Fettuccine carbonara. Show a motherfucker that part. When somebody try to say this in the chat, I got bars. I'm so wealthy and wealthy. Little party, get a lot of hell raised. Self-made since
DMC. Hopefully you guys are enjoying DMC. Yeah, DMC tells you pretty much everything you need to know with one simple thing: is how to recognize levels. and then how to read the reaction off them, right?
Is it performative? Of course it is. I'm over you, I'm over that.
Yeah, why do you think the momentum is cooling here?
Haven't been to Florida since.
Well, one,
Oranges imported in.
you gained this level, and then you targeted a new high after gaining it, right? So that is a shift. People are selling, they're taking profits, right? You're also in this massive accumulation area, right? So there's going to be a lot of levels in here, whether or not you know what they are or not, right? So we don't know where exactly they're going to start selling off. But everyone who took longs down here are, of course, selling here too, right? You've also got pre-shorters, the front shorters who are trying to sell this area, right? You've got a level right here too, right? So it slows down, that's the level, right? See that? So you should be expecting a sell-off in this area. I would just compare this style of pre-market and open versus open and close. It's the same. There's no difference. See if Bitcoin doing anything. See if Solana's doing anything. I've got some Solana. I think I have a little bit of Solana actually. Yeah, it looks retarded. Looks terrible. That looks like a bad one. WorldCoin looks like shit. I do want to invest in this one later though. CRO looks all right actually. Oh, that's BTC. CRO looks all right. That's actually a decent one. XRP. XRP looks pretty all right. It's all right. I'd own XRP probably. That's probably the best bet right now. You're probably gonna see sells in this purple. This level is silly, but this purple probably is the monthly levels, right? We've already rejected off of them, but most chance there's gonna be more sells in it. You want to wait though, right? The fact that they didn't take this first level, just wait until they do take a level, and then you can enter in the trend at this point. Okay, are we still? I want to see what other people get on the open for viewership. Turkish, eh? Interesting. 570. We're only here, man. We need to be in the top row. What was that level? Was that daily level? That was the daily level, wasn't it? They're rejecting the daily. Yeah. You look less certain under this style. I don't know what you mean. Less certain under what style? Puddle of Mud. Let's play Puddle of Mud, bro. This is gonna be metal, isn't it? I like metal. Done trading till NFP. Markets are not different ever. NFP is the same trading. Pre-NFP is the same trading. Pre-market's the same trading. Gold, NASDAQ, gold, Bitcoin, same trade. Everything is the exact same. There's no reason you should ever not trade. Monday, Friday, doesn't matter. It's all the exact same. And the reason you're not trading those days is because you're making it different. You think it's different. It's the same. The only reason you are a worse trader on Monday is because you are performing worse, not because the market is different. Or the only reason you trade worse on Friday is because you are excited for the weekend, or you're trying to rush trades, or you're trying to rush trades on Monday, right? See, that's the only reason. Or you actively believe that it is a different market, so you're trading differently, even if it's subconsciously. Do I trade gold? I do not trade gold, but I could trade gold. I just prefer to focus on one pair, because it is easier to only watch one thing at a time. But they're all the exact same. All of them are everything is the exact same. The only difference is they trend slightly differently. Gold trends in different fundamentals. NASDAQ trends in different fundamentals. Currencies don't trend as much. They're not as trendy. They're no rangy. Right? That's the only difference. Okay? But the whole process of where levels are and how levels are gained and lost is the exact same. Psychology of mining is a little bit different. Yeah, do I trade currencies? No. Only NASDAQ. And then I hold crypto. I know this. Brand. 1 minute, we'll do a giveaway. And then I don't know. I gotta take a nap, man, but I got fucking meetings all day. Non-stop, man. Meetings always. Like, that's an issue with, like, running a company, man. It's just like, you don't even get work done because there's just meetings all the time. You know what I mean? Like 5 hours of the day every day is meetings. So what are you supposed to do? You have lunch for the rest? You have lunch for some of the day too, and then you do some planning, a little bit of planning and thought, and like maybe you have to take like a fucking 15-minute break here and there. You're really only getting an hour a day to do any work, like content creation and shit. Like the streams are too. It's like a meeting for me. It's just another meeting I have to do, right? Giveaway. 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 Ooh, 20K. Demo one, you already won one. RM Shah 11. You just won 20K. Open up a ticket in Discord. And anyone who did not exist with that name, you can get an account on nametrading.com. Is this band? Oh, I know these guys. Anyways, this is Greece, isn't it? RM Shah. Totally. Shah. You won, yes. Congrats, boys. Hates me. Is this Greece? No, this isn't Greece. What movie did they play this in? I'm done, boys. There's a 4-hour close. That looks like some bullshit, alright? It looks good. It's just a bunch of bullshit. Okay? I would be long if I had to choose. Because of this, probably going here, right? You're probably going here. You know, you're going higher. Maybe I'm going to just throw a long on. I'm just going to maybe just throw a long on and then just leave, alright? Oh shit, you can't see the screen, can you? Just fucking spinner. Okay. I'm going to just throw a long on. It's probably going higher. Look at that bullshit close, right? Super bullish, right? In that side, but there is a bit of a pullback here, so you might come down. We're just going to leave a long going. See what we can do. It looks like a fucking beautiful day. Probably just going long all day again. That's what's happening, it looks like. So we'll leave that long. We're here. We're just going to let it fucking go to like here or something. Okay. How far should we go? How far? She fucking hates me. La 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 la. That's probably it. 14R. Let's shoot for 14R, okay? Actually, I doubt it. It's probably going to be this. Okay. That'll be something, some sort of trade. That stop loss does not exist, though. We'll see what happens, okay? Pretty wild, eh? It's already just fucking rocketing up. There's going to be some resistance in here. Okay. Guys, that's the stream. Thanks for watching. Follow. Follow on Kick. It's the only way that you're going to win anything ever. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. I might pull up the phone in a couple hours and see if I can just stream like 30 minutes on the phone and see what it looks like. Because I want to do... I want to do Friday live streams. Friday IRL streams, okay? We're going to travel and trade. Travel and trade live streams. That's pumping right there. Okay, see ya, boys. That's just rocketing. That's epic. I'm already up like $3 grand. Sweet. Okay, ciao. Nice, yeah. Good clips then, hey? It's nice to have all the stream in one go, but I do get really exhausted from this, right? So I can't be streaming again too much. Anyways.